Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Mother and Arfie. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a texture pack in Bloxd.io. So first thing you guys want to do when making it is you go to your desktop, right click, new folder. Now you name this folder what you want your texture pack to be named. So I'm going to name it test pack. Alright guys, done. So now we double click and now we're inside of the test pack. Alright guys, now we right click the test pack, new folder, all lowercase textures. Okay guys, so now we put in our first of three things we have to have in our texture pack. Now we right click again, go new folder, models. Now again, folder, skyboxes, and the B has to be capital guys. There's another optional one, CSS, which is basically code to change the hotbar color and stuff, but that is completely optional. So let's get into the first one and how to do this into textures, guys. Alright guys, so next thing you want to do is go to your settings bar, texture pack, and you want to click on this link here. It says it's the GitHub. Right guys, so you go into that link. Now you want to do is go to code, and you want to do this one, download zip. Alright, so now we download the zip for texture packs and it's loading right here. So I'll let that download, and here we go. Texture packs main, guys. Double click into hit that, and then texture packs main, and then you go to this one right here, guys, called default, and this has all the textures you need for Bloxd.io. All right, guys, this has literally everything you could possibly do. And it actually has some insane items. Like, I did not know there's beetroot seeds. Like, I was looking into this and I saw beetroot seeds. I don't know. Tell me what that is in the comments, guys, because I did not know they had beetroot in this game. But yeah, now let's choose an item to make with our textures. All right, guys. So I want to do a simple diamond block. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that in textures right now. Alright guys, so how to make a texture. You want to go to pixlr.com or pixlr.com. Now you want to go, let me just show you. I want to create a new image, alright? So you want to, basically, let me go here. And let me go to home just to show you guys, because I already had it open right here. Alright, Pixlr Editor. And you want to go to create new. Alright guys, create new. Once you hit that, title it whatever you want. And we're doing the diamond block. So I titled it diamond block. I want it to be 8 by 8. You can be 8 by 8, 16 by 16, 32 by 32, a lot of that. But nothing, it has to be like by 8, 16, or something else. It can't be like 5, 4, you know. Okay, so now I want to use the brush, and then I want it to be 1. And go here, there, and I like that. I'm going to switch it up. Add a gleam to it. And now I want it to be light because it's a diamond block, guys. Now I would suggest using 16 by 16 if you're looking for detail, but 8 by 8 is also good. So now you want to go to save, PNG, save as, and okay, here it is. Yes, so I'm already in my textures. So you want to go to your texture pack, and then so when I'm in my texture pack, double click textures, save as a diamond block. I already put it in, so I'll replace it. But yeah, guys, that is basically how to make a texture in Bloxd.io. Pixlr has a limit of 3, but you can either buy premium, use a different one, use a different like browser, or download a different thing. Paint works as well. Most computers have Paint already, but you can also use it on different browsers. Like, you can exceed the 3 limit by using Pixlr on different browsers. But yeah, guys, that's basically how to make textures in Bloxd.io. So let's move on to models. Guys, now I'm going to teach you how to make models. So you want to go to blockbench.net, open web app, guys. So now we go generic, create new model, and now I'll name it, I want my diamond sword. Name it diamond sword, 16 by 16, confirm. Now, the default texture pack will have all the things you can put models for. And now you can build your diamond sword, adding cubes, and you can recolor them and stuff, guys. So yeah, this is pretty good, but I have a way that is actually 10 times easier on the same platform. So, File, Import Extruded Texture, and now you import your texture for your diamond sword. So you go into your texture pack and import it, and put it into Bloxd. I'm going to use Bloxd and yours diamond sword, guys. So this recording platform doesn't let me show my files for some reason. But I'm actually importing a diamond sword, and I'm gonna after I click on it, and then I click open on that, and then here this pops up. I want to click confirm. Alright, guys, and boom, we have this. It's already in for us, and that took like 30 seconds. Alright, guys. So now we go to File again once we're done. Export as a GLTF model. Oh, yeah, GLTF model, guys. Now we want to set it to binary and 2. It has to be binary, right, guys? Now we hit confirm, and it's in. Hit it, and guys, basically this. You want to put this into your texture packs in the model section. It has to be inside of the model section, alright, guys? So here, and we put it in the models. So basically, that is how you make a models in texture packs. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to make skyboxes, which is actually quite simple, alright? So let's go into skyboxes. Alright, guys, now I'm going to teach you guys how to make skyboxes in Bloxd. And so you want to go to your texture pack, you want to go skyboxes, and you need to create a file in there called default, all lowercase. Double click into that. I'm using Endures as an example, Bloxd Endure. So you want to take images from the web for a skybox, alright, guys? And you have to make it all square, and it has to be under 300 KB, alright? Now you want to put its names like this: NX, NY, NZ, PX, PY, PZ. And then that's basically it. The game will orient it for you based on these names that you have for it, alright, guys? And yeah, that's basically all you need for skyboxes. It's pretty simple, guys. And now put it into your texture pack, and you're done with skyboxes. And now let's test our texture pack out, because we're done with the basic part of it. We created a texture, a model, and a skybox for it. So basically, you can create as many as you want, and depending on how good they are, I'd say. I don't think more is better. I think if it's a few of them and it's really good, that'd also be nice. Alright, guys, so let's test this out in game. Alright, guys, now I want to import my texture pack just to test it out. Custom, we're gonna drag and drop our texture pack here. Here it is, our test pack. Alright, now we upload it. Apply and reload the page to apply it. Now we're gonna go into create. Alright, guys, as you can see, our diamond block worked, and it looks like how we designed it in game as well. Alright, now let's check if our sword worked. Yes, it did. Alright, guys, and basically we didn't put the skybox in. I just used Bloxd Enders as an example. I didn't copy paste it, but as long as you put it in with the right names, it's gonna work, guys. So yeah, that is basically how it works when creating a block style texture pack. That is gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.